If it's exterior wood, no, you don't need to sand it down. If it's interior wood, if it's been painted before, assuming the paint is intact, you don't need to sand that down either. If it's new wood, depending on its location, you may want to do a light sanding before you paint. Again, it doesn't hurt to prime first or use paint and primer in one. Usually things like trim and windowsills and so on are done with semi-gloss paint and primer in one. Sometimes wood is uneven. Sometimes you have corners that you want to round. Sometimes you have edges that you want to round. Sometimes you have splinters. Interior wood is milled differently than exterior wood, so you don't usually have to sand very much. But depending on where it is and how often people are going to touch it, you may want to sand it first to be sure nobody gets a splinter, and you'll get a better paint job.